Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I just came from a car show. I got third place for JDM, which is awesome, but that's not what this is about. So I officially Mike from TunerCrate. What gives, man? They're a complete scam. I would not waste my money anymore at all, ever. Don't waste your money on their product. They're a really bad company. They're scam artists. It's just not worth it. They basically charge you for a subscription even after you cancel it. It's a pain to cancel. You can email them to the proper email address and they just won't cancel it. It's just garbage. It's a waste of money. I had to open a case with the Better Business Bureau. They haven't responded to any of my emails. They actually blocked me on their Instagram. So Mike, you know what's up. You're a crummy company, you're a scam artist. I'm actually going to be filing a police report with your local police department because you're ripping people off intentionally. They send crates. The crates come with repeats that they tell you is free extra stuff. It's not extra if there's not anything extra in the box from the normal. So my battery is flashing. It might die. If it does, I gotta go home. But I wanted you to see what's in this crate. My 370Z behind me. So I'll try to do this quickly. So yeah, there's not as much in it. It's supposed to normally come with 3 shirts. Now it's coming with 2. So you have toy car, flag for 4th of July, screwdriver, 2 shirts that aren't bad. Apparently they are not repeats. They're not bad. But I didn't pay, I paid for this, but I didn't order it. So I don't know if this is supposed to be the actual Super Street or not, because I canceled the Super Street many months ago. So you have like a dash mat. It's supposed to stick your phone. Then warning, bonus items, but there's no bonus items. So you have your magazines. So 2 different magazines, towel, stickers, more stickers. New, never been used, freaking, that's it. And then nice poster. So that's everything this came with, but it's a bunch of crap because it's supposed to be 3 shirts. At least it used to be 3 shirts and a couple other items like this, but they've gotten cheaper. They're like cutting back. Tries to tell you that there's bonus items. Bonus items means extra items outside of the normal. That's not what's happening. They're scamming you. And then if you try to cancel, even though they tell you you're canceled, they're going to charge you again like they did me, and then they don't respond. Like, you can send it to the correct email address or the wrong email address. They actually told me in an email that says that I sent the email to an unmonitored email address. That's the email that you send to cancel at the Zendesk. Like, what the hell? So anyways, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and Mike, screw you and your company and it's garbage, and stop scamming people. It's just not right. Go hire a different company than the Zendesk support. Actually spend the money. You have it. I mean, look at all the other stuff. Like, now I know that TJ Hunt got screwed by you. Shady business. Don't do business with companies that do shady business. I don't. I refuse, and I call them out on it. So thank you for watching, and take care.